hold the fuck on. Cause I gotta see this. Make sure y'all leave a like, nigga. Make sure y'all leave a like, nigga. This shit crazy as fuck, man. What the fuck kind of highway is that?
He's going to jail.
Bro, these niggas got, bro, it's a fat ass bridge, bro. A fat ass bridge, bro. Why the fuck are they?
Oh, that's a cop. We are now going to the first spot that we were at, and there's a cop right there. He's probably gonna bust us as well.
What y'all in, twin?
Still yelling over there.
He be pulling up to the car. He's smart. He pulling up to the car meets in something slight, bro. He in the Jeep again.
Hopefully we get into a little bit of some action right now.
Some action, oh god. Let's get some action going. Ooh! Look at the wheels on that bitch, though. That's the wheels is hard. Damn, that Z06. Mustangs, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, that shit beefy as hell. Look at the wheel.
Oh yeah, we're in this.
Bro, Mustangs do be sounding nasty as fuck. I'm talking about like disgustingly, awfully terrible. 5.0 motherfucker.
Finally getting some action in, hopefully. Whoa, look at that.
Oh god. Is that a drone or is that a helicopter? They was ready. Oh my god, they was ready for y'all ass, bro. Holy fuck. Is this Miami? Oh, you heard that shit? I heard the turbo. Uh-oh. Oh, his ass is grass. His ass is grass. His ass is grass.
Oh no.
Hold on. Ah, they're lying. Go. Why he ain't run? What the fuck is wrong with this nigga? Nigga, you should have just ran. Oh my fucking god, bro. You idiot. Bro, if I'm out with this many niggas, I already got a plate cover on. I'm already. He pulling over and shit.
Well, he's going to jail. Damn, man.
He cheating, bro. You know this nigga getting away from anything, bro. Any fucking thing. Unless he gonna end up like that one nigga we seen laying on the street, little dumb ass nigga.
That blue Corvette said I'm out.
That shit was just growling at us.
It's like it wasn't a blue Corvette.
Ooh, they got a single cab.
This Corvette, man, you are lucky.
Oh God, he lucky.
If I was that Corvette, I would go home right now.
That's where he going, nigga. Cause all y'all turning left and he going straight.
I think we're gonna chill here for a bit because the cops are hot.
Oh God, they hot. GTR, motherfucker.
Bunch of people are
What that is? GT what? That's a 5.0. Ooh. W blurring out the license plate, my nigga.
Were you the one that was racing? Was that a blue one? Did you see it? Was it blue? Okay, I could have sworn it was blue.
It was blue.
He dipped.
He was behind me.
Oh, okay.
I let him pass and he zoomed through.
Yeah. Okay, I thought it was blue. I thought
I was like, I saw them lining up.
Yeah.
Not a good idea.
That nigga took his ass home, bruh.
Right there.
He was not playing. Hey, that nigga probably went to go. He's still looking for the Corvette. Hey, that other nigga went to go switch cars, bruh.
It's still pulled over and see what's going on.
The white one still pulled over?
Damn. We're back at spot number 1. I'm surprised the cops haven't shut this down. Oh, we got the cops chilling right there. Right
This
there.
nigga be moving. That's fine.
Wow, this Corvette sounds nasty.
Bro, I'm gonna start going to car meets. How you figure out where the car meets be at, bro? How you do that?
Sheesh. That thing is crazy.
Oh, God. You would think that's your car, nigga. The way that shit coming out. Damn. That shit don't belong on the street.
Look at the intake.
That's the intake? Let me see. Oh, my God. What the fuck is that shit right there at the bottom, bro? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Nigga got a megaphone, bruh. You know his shit nasty as fuck, bro. You know his shit.
More LS.
Isn't that a C6? I don't know. I'm gonna go fat ass wing on my C6, bro, and a splitter or something. Another front grill, but your shit probably destroying my C6. But I just want my shit to look, you know what I'm saying, mean as fuck, disgustingly, heavenly. Heavenly, amazing, amazing. I'm telling you, bro. We know that Corvette ass naked nasty, bro. Where they going? Y'all going back to spot number 2?
I see the cop lights.
Hell yeah. Go back on the highway. Hell yeah. That's a weak what? Ford Focus. That's a Ford Focus or a Ford Fusion? That's an Audi. That fucking vet is now. Oh, they finna race? That's 3 cars. It look like. Oh shit! Ooh! Oh, the red Corvette is getting his ass left. Red Corvette getting his ass left, bro.
We got cop 1, we got cop 2.
That nigga.
Don't do anything dumb.
Oh God, they rolling. They rolling. You gotta have a police scanner at all times, bro. You gotta order one of them shits.
That's HP sitting right there. What is going on? That Mustang pulled over.
Oh my God, bro. Is that a fucking 550?
What is going on? That Mustang.
Look at that. Is it? No, it's not. No, it's not. It's like one of them A shits. That's one of them A Mercedes. I don't know. That shit look good though. Not gonna cap.
They got this bridge locked.
Oh God, they do.
They're setting it up.
Oh my God. Look at this shit, bro.
There's cops up there as well. They got this whole bridge lit up.
Oh God, they do. What bridge is this, bro?
Unless they just threw somebody in jail. Oh my gosh, look at the whole bridge. It's lit up with cops. Oh my gosh.
On both
There's a cop there,
sides.
Cop here, cop up there, cop all the way down there. Everywhere. Look at that.
Damn. Look at the sheriff. Nigga, if you get, can you get caught recording or no?
Oh, they're coming up here for this guy.
Who that is?
What the heck are they doing?
Oh God. Them niggas says they just want to be over there for no reason, bro. Oh yeah. Ah, come on, bro. Look at the tires on the fucking Camaro. Oh my. Ah, nah, you bitch. Why you ain't go? Oh, they see the lights up there? Oh God. That Camaro nasty. That's a C8? I like that fucking bumper. Or is that the bumper that come with it? I don't know. Oh my God, look at the fucking top of the fucking Camaro, bro. Fuck.
Cops down there as well, if you guys can see that. There, he's got somebody pulled over.
Somebody, oh God.
Oh, we're back at the meetup spot. People locking in races right now.
Locking in races? Ooh, you gotta get the races on cam. He got the races on cam, bro. Oh my God, you gotta comment, bro. Oh, he said, I absolutely love these vids, bro. I was finna say the same thing, Swin. I was finna say the same thing, twin. Oh God, I was, bro. I gotta put an emoji. Gotta leave an emoji for the air, bro. Oh shit, that's the perfect emoji, nigga. Perfect emoji, nigga. Come on, nigga. This shit.
Versus the one that's already ready, so.
W content. What this is? Hold on. What he said? Who racing again? Who racing?
Races right now.
Let go.
What up, bro? Apparently there's a heated argument with that car versus the one that's already ready, so it could be a good.
Oh, I thought we was finna see the Hellcat. This nigga got a fucking tow hitch on a Hellcat. Wide body Hellcat.
Great.
Charger.
Get away. Dang, hood exit exhaust.
Oh god. I mean, hood exit exhaust. That mean it's turbo, right? That mean this that mean that bitch turbo, huh? Damn. Ugh.
Alright, next group is up. It's the Beamer squad. FHP is going after them. Oh, that's a cop.
Why they going after them?
And another. Dang, they are everywhere.
Ooh.
Somebody sounds sick.
Bro, everybody should just go to the NASCAR track, bro. That's what everybody should just do, bro. They finna line that shit up. $1,000 race. It's all Beamers, though. It's all Beamers, though. The one in the middle, low-key, looked the best. Out of there. Oh, what did I say? That nigga was gone. Then this nigga got the footage inside the car. His ass took off. Oh, he must wasn't racing. Damn, what the fuck was that?
Yo! Hey, we're out here, bro!
What that nigga taking his fucking money, bro.
Whoa!
This pixelated ass shit. Out of there, he taking his bread, bro. Damn, that nigga taking his fucking cheese.
Something's going down.
He getting his fucking money. Give me my money.
He looks pissed.
He getting his money. Damn. He been beating his ass all night. That nigga shit is fast. He want to race somebody so bad, bro. Alright, bro. We tired of seeing all these Beamers, bro. Come on, bro. Ain't nothing else, bro?
Alright, it looks like everybody came to this gas station up here. There's that Lambo. Bike on a trailer.
Good. Lambo.
Okay. There's that GTR again.
That shit look like crystals,
Ford on a
nigga.
trailer. That blue.
Ferrari blue. I thought you couldn't have them shits blue. I think they can only be black, white,
Oh, smell
and
race fuel.
red.
You smell that too? It's like burning my nose hairs.
Race fuel. Oh, he just pulled over. I get out my car and watch the flybys, nigga.
Dang.
That's a Lexus with no bumper.
Well, you guys, that is the end of night 2. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Tonight was insane. So many
That
cool
shit-
cars. Tomorrow's going to be
God.
just as lit.
That was so much shit, bro. Show me a little preview.
Stay tuned. Subscribe.
Throw me a little teaser for tomorrow.
I can't believe everything that just happened. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to